Good morning, traders. This is Salim Dlalose. As I promised last month, I'll be posting my non-farm analysis going forward. Yes, I'll be analyzing the market and actually be posting a video every month and show you what I see on non-farm and the reason why I'm seeing whatever I'm seeing on the charts. Right. So I'll start with cable GBPUSD. As you saw yesterday, it was fireworks. Cable yesterday was crazy, crazy, crazy. You can clearly see this is the daily candle from yesterday. Markets went crazy, 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 right? And we can clearly see there's now downside pressure on GBP. So, based on this already, right? GBP is paid against the dollar, of which non-farm is on the dollar. I'm actually anticipating, or I'm actually thinking there might be good news on the dollar. So we might actually have a good non-farm for the dollar. Okay. The reason being already CAPE is under pressure, as we can see, and also there's highly likely the market will come to this level before we see a long-term strength on the cable. Okay. So on the cable, my analysis is there is highly likely to be a push down in this particular non-farm, so of which there is highly likely to be good news on the US non-farm today. Okay, based on what I see, there is a high probability that the non-farm is going to be good for the dollar, and we're going to have a downside pressure on the dollar, sorry, on the cable one more time before it actually start pushing up for a very, very long time. Why am I saying that? Because we can clearly see this particular price action right there, right? This is what we call in advanced trading a hidden gap, right? This is what we call a hidden gap. This is a gap, but it's a hidden gap. I know a lot of people know about a physical gap, for example, this particular gap, but this is a hidden gap. And what you should know about a hidden gaps is that the market will always try to go and fill the hidden gaps. Okay, so I'm actually focusing on cable in the future to be doing this, to go and fill that gap. Yes, I'm anticipating the cable to go up and fill that gap. Why? Because this is clearly a hidden gap. There is a gap right there. There is a gap right there. So my view on the cable, simple. I'm looking for the cable to come here, or possible even push to the downside just below this level. Might not be today, not this non-farm, but I'm looking for the cable to come below here and start pushing up for a very, very long time. Right, you can watch this video, you can record this chart, you can do whatever, but this is my analysis on the cable. Now, euro, right? So if I'm looking at the euro, I'm actually also looking more for downside pressure on the euro. I'm also looking for downside pressure on the euro, right? So both on the euro and the GBP, my analysis for today is I'm looking for possible shorts. I'm looking for possible sells both on euro USD and GBP USD. This is exactly what I see on the market, guys. I don't really trade non-farm, so I might not even take these trades. I might actually watch in the sideline or just take them on a demo account just to practice. But I really don't like non-farm. But based on what I see right now, I'm looking at the cable and the euro to go down before it goes back up. So that is my non-farm analysis, guys. Today I actually don't have any more information to tell you. This is what I see. I'm looking at the dollar and I'm thinking the dollar is going to strengthen this non-farm. I might be wrong, but this is my analysis right now, and we just have to wait and see a little bit later what's going to happen. But based on what I see on the charts right now, there's already pressure on the on GBP, of which that will actually make sure that the dollar goes stronger even more, because we already had bad news on GBP yesterday, so that might actually contribute for the dollar being very strong today. And based on price action as well, I'm looking at the markets to go really down, to actually push down before there is a long-term trend on both the EURUSD and GBPUSD. Yes, there is a possible long-term trend coming on GBPUSD and EURUSD. I wish I can give you these signals when they come through in real time, because we are definitely going to be having this in the next coming few months or in the next coming weeks. I don't know. It might happen next week. It might happen in 2 months, but we're going to have a long-term trend, especially on the cable. But usually the euro will actually try to mimic whatever the cable is doing, even though they are not that much correlated, but sometimes they try to follow each other. Okay, right, guys, this is Salim Dlalose. Keep on following me, keep on liking my channel, share this video with your friends, share it with your mentor, share with your cousin, share with your friends. Maybe someone else can learn something new on this video. Right, thank you very much. I'm out.